Since the beginning of my YouTube career, CTR has been the bane of my existence. Until recently, I finally cracked the code and I'm going to show you what I did right now. Welcome back to Minding Marketing. I'm a bit under the weather, so sorry if I sound like I croaked on a frog again. Now, about 2 months ago, I made some changes to my content that moved me from numbers like these to these. So today I'm finally able to share with you guys how I did this and how you can grow your CTR. I've wanted to talk about this for the longest time, but I also want to put my money where my mouth is and make sure that I had the proof to back it up. So we're going to jump right into it. So CTR, also known as click-through rate, is going to show you how many people click on your video in comparison to how many impressions your video has. So if you have a CTR of 3%, that means for every 100 impressions, approximately 3 people click on your video. Basic stuff, right? This CTR number is affected by 2 things on YouTube: your thumbnail and your title. Now, YouTube says that a CTR of anywhere between 2 to 10% is good, but we all know that the higher the better. I was stuck between 3 to 3.6% on all of my videos, but I decided to make some active changes to see if I could make things better. I even killed one of my videos just to test things out, and I'll talk more about that in the future video. So the first thing we're going to talk about are thumbnails. Tip number 1 when it comes to thumbnails: let go of everything you wanted and think about the viewer. Thumbnails can be a very personal thing. I get it. I got very attached to my style, but I had to keep my viewers in mind. Once you have a big channel and following, sure, maybe you'll have people that will watch no matter what you do. But for us smaller folk, it is important to do what makes our viewers happy. So be ready to start from a clean slate and make adjustments that will make your viewers happy, not you. Sorry. Tip number 2, study your competition. If you are in a certain niche, don't try to reinvent the wheel. You have people around you who are doing similar things. Look at what is working for them and follow their flow. Do not copy them. Please just get inspiration and do your own thing. For me, I realized that there was a shift in my niche to a minimalistic yet dynamic approach. So I changed my fonts and put a minimum amount of words and images on my thumbnails. In the end, these changes helped my CTR grow to 10 to 20% in the first 24 hours of my videos. My last video even stayed at 10% for the whole week, and that has never happened before. Tip number 3, make your thumbnail complement your title. This is really important. Do not just repeat your title on your thumbnail. Please, for the love of YouTube, I've made that mistake in the past. Don't do it. What you want to do is have your thumbnail add to your title. For example, if you're making a video titled "How My Video Went Viral," on the thumbnail you might want to add 1 million views or something else catchy that adds value to your title. Or if you have a video titled "Can I Get Netflix for Free?" on the thumbnail you could write just maybe. This will make people ask questions and want to watch your video to find out why you say that. You may not even have to write anything on your image, to be honest. The best example I have of this is from the Hoof guy. He sometimes has no text at all on his thumbnails, but he puts an image that makes his audience wonder, what the heck is this? I click on his video so fast and I ain't got no cows, y'all. So obviously what he is doing is working. Now moving on, we're going to talk about titles. Titles are difficult. Honestly, I cannot say that I have a fixed set title that works for me in kinds of videos. So many different kinds, from how-tos to mildly clickbaity. For example, if I'm doing a tutorial, most likely I'm going to do a how-to title. But if the video is for more information or entertainment, then the title will be more catchy and make the viewer more curious so that they will watch the video. I guess that is actually the real tip. Make the viewer curious. But no matter how you go about this, don't skip on your keywords. It is still super important to optimize your titles. So no matter how I choose to make my title, you will always find the keyword that I'm trying to rank for in my title. This is the approach that has worked best for me and really boosted my organic traffic, which in return has made YouTube push out my videos more. I will leave some links in the description box for you with other SEO videos that I've made and guides that I've made for beginners so you can get a better understanding of what it is. But if you succeed in making your viewer curious and have an optimized title, then you have done something incredible. I would say that with the new YouTube updates that are coming out, SEO may be more important than ever. So if you want to learn more about these new updates and how SEO may become more important for creators in the future, then I highly recommend that you watch this video coming up on your screen right now to learn more about how you can prepare your channel for these changes. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.